everyone, and welcome back to Deco Diva, the channel where we transform everyday spaces into stunning havens of style and comfort. Today, we're diving into the world of rustic chic, blending the warm, cozy charm of a thrifted farmhouse aesthetic with the timeless sophistication of Ralph Lauren's signature flair. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And if you love a good DIY or decorating tip, be sure to like this video and drop a comment below to share your favorite rustic chic ideas. Let's get into it. The first step in creating a rustic chic look is hunting for foundational pieces. Head to your local thrift stores or flea markets to find wooden furniture with character. Think distressed coffee tables, ladder-back chairs, or vintage armoires. Look for solid wood pieces with timeless silhouettes. Even if they need a little love, remember that scratches or scuffs can enhance the farmhouse feel. With a touch of Ralph Lauren-inspired polish, you can elevate these finds into something stunning. Rustic chic starts with a soft, neutral color palette. Whites, creams, and beiges create a cozy foundation, while muted greens or blues add a farmhouse vibe. To channel Ralph Lauren, layer in deep, rich tones like navy, forest green, or burgundy. Use these as accents through fabrics, rugs, or even a painted piece of furniture. The contrast between rustic and refined colors brings depth to your space. Natural materials are a hallmark of the rustic farmhouse aesthetic. Think weathered wood, woven baskets, and stone or brick textures. These elements ground your space and add warmth. To echo Ralph Lauren's style, layer these textures with leather, wool, or cashmere for a luxurious touch. A leather armchair or a soft plaid throw can elevate your rustic pieces into a chic, cohesive look. One of the best ways to achieve a rustic chic style is by repurposing old items. Turn a vintage ladder into a blanket rack or an old door into a headboard. Creativity is key. Pair these rustic finds with elegant accessories like silver candlesticks or crystal vases. This mix of humble and high-end perfectly balances the farmhouse charm with Ralph Lauren elegance. When you find an old piece of furniture, don't be afraid to refinish it. Sand down a thrifted table and apply a whitewash or stain to give it new life while keeping its rustic appeal. To add sophistication, replace old hardware with polished brass or antique-inspired poles. Small details like these bring an upscale touch without sacrificing the piece's charm. Mixing patterns is a signature of Ralph Lauren's style. For a rustic chic look, combine farmhouse-friendly ginghams and florals with bold plaids or paisleys. Start with a base of neutral tones, then add patterned throw pillows, curtains, or rugs to tie it all together. The trick is to keep your color palette consistent so the patterns don't overwhelm the space. A cozy seating area is essential in any rustic chic home. Arrange a thrifted sofa or armchairs around a vintage coffee table, and don't forget to add plenty of cushions and throws. To elevate the space, include a leather ottoman or a classic plaid blanket for a nod to Ralph Lauren's aesthetic. This blend of comfort and elegance creates a welcoming vibe. antiques bring history and authenticity to your rustic chic design. Look for unique pieces like old clocks, lanterns, or typewriters that can serve as conversation starters. Display them thoughtfully on shelves or mantels alongside framed art or books for that signature Ralph Lauren library-inspired sophistication. If your home has architectural features like exposed beams, shiplap, or brick walls, make them the star of the show. These elements scream farmhouse charm. For a Ralph Lauren twist, complement these features with tailored drapes, elegant light fixtures, or a statement mirror. It's all about striking a balance between rustic and refined. Lighting is a game changer for setting the mood. Look for farmhouse-style fixtures like iron chandeliers or pendant lights with a weathered finish. Add Ralph Lauren-inspired drama with oversized lamps or sconces that feature polished metal or sophisticated shades. Lighting not only illuminates but also enhances your decor. Fresh greenery or faux plants breathe life into any space. Arrange eucalyptus, olive branches, or dried lavender in simple vases for a farmhouse vibe. To channel Ralph Lauren, place these arrangements in silver pitchers or glass hurricanes. It's a simple way to elevate natural elements into elegant decor. A farmhouse dining table is a centerpiece of rustic chic design. Style it with a linen table runner, ceramic dishes, and vintage-inspired glassware. For a touch of Ralph Lauren, incorporate crystal stemware or silver chargers. Add tall taper candles to complete the look with understated elegance. Art and photos make a house a home. Choose rustic-inspired artwork like landscapes or animal prints, and pair them with vintage frames. Mix in family photos in leather or silver frames for a personal, Ralph Lauren-inspired touch. Hang them in a gallery wall arrangement or display them on a console table. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey to create a rustic chic home with thrifted farmhouse charm and Ralph Lauren elegance. I hope you're feeling inspired to start your own transformations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Deco Diva, and let me know in the comments which of these ideas you'll be trying out. Your support means the world, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.